Let's try factoring this trinomial, x to the sixth power minus 10x cubed plus 21. Notice that there is no leading coefficient. In this case, it is assumed that the leading coefficient is 1. When factoring a trinomial like this, with a single variable with no leading coefficient raised to a power greater than 1, the first term in each factored expression can be multiplied to result in a product of the first term in the trinomial. A good strategy to determine how to factor the first term in the trinomial is to examine the variable factor in the second term. Since this term has a power of 3, let's factor x to the sixth power as x cubed times x cubed. Therefore, the first term of each factor will be x cubed. When factoring a trinomial such as this, there will be two numbers either added or subtracted from x cubed. In this case, we use n sub 1 and n sub 2 as placeholders for those values. To find the values of n sub 1 and n sub 2, note that the product of the two numbers will be equal to the constant term in the original trinomial, and the sum of the two numbers will be equal to the coefficient in the second term. Think about which two numbers can be multiplied together to have a product of positive 21 and can also be added together to have a sum of negative 10. Those two numbers are negative 3 and negative 7. We will let n sub 1 be equal to negative 3 and n sub 2 be equal to negative 7. Now let's substitute those values into the factored expression. Since both numbers are negative, both plus or minus signs can be changed to minus signs. So the trinomial x to the sixth power minus 10x cubed plus 21 can be factored. The result is the quantity x cubed minus 3 times the quantity x cubed minus 7. To check and make sure that this is correct, use the FOIL method by first multiplying the first term of each factor, then multiplying the outside terms of each factor, then multiplying the inside terms, then multiplying the last terms, then simplify. Using the FOIL method results in the polynomial x to the sixth power minus 7x cubed minus 3x cubed plus 21. By combining like terms, you end up with the original trinomial, meaning that you factored correctly.